Michael, Pang, happy Father's Day. You know how we love you and we are here to support and take care of you.
Tagalog? Si Mama. Tagalog
No daddy could ever replace you because you are the most wonderful dad for me. Hope you take care of yourself. Stop smoking like I did. I realize this because I know it won't help me. It might lead me also in illness like yours. So please, Dad, do things that will help you cure your illness. May God bless you more and stay happy as you are. Love, Dad, smile. Bless!
Tagalogin mo na.
Pang-call center yan.
Tagalogin mo na.
Tagalogin mo raw.
Tagalogin mo
Tigil na daw, manigarilyo, kasi siya tumigil na daw. Kasi alam niya, ganyan din daw mangyayari sa kanya pag di siya tumigil. Mahal naman, wala dong makaka-replace.
Good example.
Tumigil na siya.
No one can replace you.
Ano naman kami nagkagalit dahil.
Oh, si Ching Ching.
Ito, Richardy, PRC.
Bilis, malulubat na to.
Oh, si Ching Ching naman. Ay, Ching Ching. Oh, si Jay naman, si Jay, si
Saan ba?
Jay. Asa yung sa'yo da?
Konti lang sa akin eh.
Ay, iyan to eh.
Iyon pogi.
Ito kay Jay.
Papang Jay.
Asa yung si Jay? Asus, nasa iyo yata, Jay. Kay Ian to eh.
Ayan na naman kayo ah.